Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode, 2012 Toyota Camry, I'm going to show you how to replace the tie rod end, the outer tie rod. So let's get to it. Okay, we're going to start on the driver. Same thing for the passenger. Jack up the car, remove the wheel, and I'm going to show you the tools. I got the part and everything to do this process. When you do this process, make sure that you do an alignment afterwards. Okay guys, remove the wheel first. Okay, this is the outer tie rod. The bottom one is a 19 millimeter. You have to remove the cutter pin. You're just gonna straighten it up and pull it out. 19 millimeter, remove that one first, and then that one is a 19 millimeter. Get that one loose. 17 millimeter for the bottom nut. Right there. Before you remove it, grab yourself a 19 millimeter for the nut back here. So I believe you have to, on the driver's side, you have to hit it down. Let me see, because I don't have a lot of leverage because I'm in the garage. I'm not in a shop with a lift. You gotta be trying and see what's going on. It's much easier from the bottom. Yeah, on the driver's side, hit it to the right. Okay, I just loosen it up a little bit. Now, to remove the nut, I'm gonna hit on the bottom of the tie rod. Okay, now I'm gonna hold this part, the inner tie rod, so it doesn't move, and I'm gonna count my turns. Okay, because that one is kind of tight, it doesn't want to move the outer. I'm gonna grab my pliers, hold the inner tie rod so it doesn't spin. It's really tight, so I'm gonna put some PP plaster right there. It doesn't want to move. I put some vice grips at the end on the inner tie rod. So now I already did one turn. Let me start. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 turns, and I'm gonna clean the threads. Threads look really ugly. Okay, I have the threads clean. I have the new tie rod in. Same 14 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 turns. Okay, now that thing is in place, I'm gonna get this knot tied. Okay, that knot over there is tied. Gotta get this one tied. Once I get it tied, I'm gonna put the new cutter pin and job is done. As soon as I finish, I'm gonna take it to do an alignment. But make sure that you don't drive too much after doing this because it's gonna be dangerous and you're gonna eat your tires away. So be careful. Once you put this nut in it, if you don't find the hole, you gotta tight the nut. Don't get it loose. Tight just a little bit more until you find the hole and put your cutter pin, and that's it. Okay, probably alignment is gonna be really bad on it, but I gotta drive it a little bit just to see if everything feels okay. Yeah, steering wheel crooked, so it has to go to an alignment. but I don't hear that noise anymore. Yeah, it's a lot better now, but it's really crooked. Okay guys, so installation is done. It doesn't look really bad, but definitely needs to go for an alignment. So this is a 2012 Toyota Camry. Pretty much is the same on every vehicle. Make sure that when you do this, do an alignment or just take it to a shop because they're gonna do it right there. But yeah, you're gonna spend more money. So I'll leave it with that, guys. I hope you like this little episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.